Hello students. Last class we had studied about variables, how to name them, what are the rules and what are data types and how to declare a variable. Today let us study some more topics like what are the constants, operators and all. Okay. Constants in VB. The main difference between variable and constants is the value of variable can change, while constants generally have fixed values throughout the execution of the program. So, as said before, value of the variable can be changed, but then constants value cannot be changed. For example, in the program you have given the pi value, you have declared the pi value as 3.14. It is a constant value throughout the program. Constants are declared in a similar way as variables, except a constant should always be assigned a value when it is declared. So it is same as declaring of a variable, even a constant, but then you have to assign a value while you're declaring. See here, you haven't declared any value to the variable counter, but here when it comes to constant, you have to declare the value with an equal symbol. Constants are declared in a similar way as variables, except the constants should always be assigned a value when it is declared. Okay. Examples of the declaration constants in VBA is const. This is very important. You have to mention it as const so that the value won't be changing throughout the program. Max count equals 5000. So you have used somewhere a variable max count in your program, so automatically it will assign to 5000. It will never change throughout the program. Const pi as single equals 3.14. So here see, they had said that we have to assign the value when it is declared. You are declaring the variable, that time itself you have to assign the value. So you are assigning the value. Next, operators in VB. In order to perform various operations on the variables in a program to compute results, we need different operators. So when you have to perform any operations like addition, subtraction, you need to have different operators. Let us see what are all the operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators in VB are used to perform mathematical and numerical calculations on the variables. So these arithmetics, you know it, right? In your maths you'll be learning in your mathematics as arithmetic for mathematical. See, this plus is used to add. Example 10 plus 3, you will get a result as 13. Minus, subtract. 10 minus 3, 7. Divide. It will divide a number, two numbers, and it will give you the result. This backslash is an integer division, which means here see, this is a forward slash. It will just divide the number, and if you have any decimal point it will give you 3.33. but whereas the backslash, it is the integer division, that will it will give only the integer number. 10 by 3 answer is actually 3.333, but then since it is an integer division, it will just give you the integer number before the decimal point. The star symbol is used for multiplying. When you multiply, it will give you the result. And this is a cap symbol. it is like exponent power of, like you will write, right, 2 power 2, 2 square, like you will write like this. So for that it is used cap symbol, exponent power of 10 power 3, so that is 10 cube, it is 1000. Mod, that is if you need a reminder. See here, when you divide 10 mod 3, when mod means it will divide and it will let you know what is the reminder. When you divide 10 by 3, 3 9, 3 threes are 9, so you another 1 is left out, so the remainder is 1. Next, and symbol, string concatenation, that is you have two strings like integer and division. So when you write integer and division in your program, by giving the output it will give integer division. See here, you can see visual and basic. Here you are giving, in the program you are writing it like this, so it will concatenate means it will join the words, that is visual basics. Next, the following example displays the result of a different arithmetic operation. Okay, let us see. The code has to be given in the click event of the calculate command button. The user enters the values in text box 1 and text box 2 and click on the calculate button to display the result as a caption of the label controls. Private sub command button 1 click, that is there are some command buttons like, see, sum, difference, product, quotient, reminder. So these are the command buttons. They have named it as command button 1 value. Let us see one by one. Addition, sum equals value of text box 1 dot text plus value text box 2 dot text. So these two are your text box 1 and text box 2. Here for addition, they're saying, they're giving the command button as, here they've given it as sum. So at sum, it has to give you the value of these two additions. So their value, they're adding it as value text box 1 dot text plus value text box 2 dot text. So label 14 dot caption equals to sum. So this caption, they've given it as sum. Next, same as subtraction, difference equals value of text box 1 dot text minus this. It will subtract these two values from first one with the second one. Next, product, it will multiply. See here, they've used the star symbol. Next, division, here they've used forward slash, which means it is a normal division, not the integer division. It will give you the decimal point also. Next, modulus or remainder, that is mod. They use the mod operator. Remainder equals value, so mod, when you divide what is the remainder, it will give. And end. So first you have to, the user will enter two numbers in these two text boxes and it will click on the calculate button. So when they click on the calculate button, these all values will be displayed. It will calculate what if you add, what is the answer. If you subtract, if you multiply, divide, see here it will since you have given forward slash, that is normal division, it will give you the decimal point. It is not an integer division. Next, they've used modulus, so remainder, it is giving you 100 as the remainder. Thank you, students.